What you choose to eat for your first meal of the day can set a powerful trajectory for your body's filtration system. Today, we're examining the top 5 breakfast foods for kidney health, based on the latest clinical research. Before we begin, if you're dedicated to making informed choices for your well-being, please support this channel by liking this video and subscribing for science-backed guidance on nutrition and health. Now, let's begin. Our kidneys perform a monumental task, acting as the body's sophisticated filtration plant. Every single day, they process nearly 200 quarts of blood to sift out about 2 quarts of waste products and extra water, which become urine. This system balances electrolytes, regulates blood pressure, and produces hormones. But this vital function is under constant threat from modern dietary habits. The silent danger for many is the chronic consumption of foods high in processed sodium, refined sugars, and certain fats, which can lead to high blood pressure and diabetes, the 2 leading causes of chronic kidney disease. The damage is often insidious, with symptoms appearing only after significant, sometimes irreversible harm has occurred. This makes proactive dietary management not just a choice, but a critical defense strategy. And since breakfast sets the metabolic tone for the day, it's the perfect place to start building that defense. Let's move into our list of the top 5 breakfast foods that may support overall wellness and a balanced diet for kidney health. Coming in at number 5 is the humble egg white. Whole eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, but for individuals specifically concerned with existing kidney stress, the yolk contains phosphorus in a form that is not easily processed by compromised kidneys. This is where egg whites shine. They are a brilliant source of high-quality, kidney-friendly protein. Unlike some protein sources, high-quality protein from egg whites produces less waste for the kidneys to filter, reducing their workload. Furthermore, research, including a 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients, has highlighted that adequate, high-quality protein intake is crucial for maintaining muscle mass in individuals with kidney disease, a common complication known as protein energy wasting. By starting your day with a vegetable omelet made from egg whites, you're providing essential building blocks for your body without overburdening your renal system. Number 4 on our list is the versatile and potent blueberry. These small fruits are giants when it comes to antioxidant capacity. They are packed with anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. Why is this so important for your kidneys? Oxidative stress can affect overall cell function, and a 2023 scientific review in Nutrients documented that dietary anthocyanins have antioxidant properties. Including blueberries may contribute to overall wellness as part of a balanced diet. Adding a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie is a delicious and scientifically grounded strategy to arm your kidneys against daily oxidative assaults. Our third top breakfast food for kidney health is the ancient and robust grain, oats. Specifically, we are referring to whole, unprocessed oat groats or steel-cut oats, not the instant flavored varieties, which are often loaded with sodium and sugar. The primary renal benefit of oats lies in their rich content of a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. A compelling 2024 meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that higher intake of beta-glucan from oats is consistently associated with improvements in key cardiorenal parameters. This fiber helps to lower LDL cholesterol and, crucially, helps to regulate blood pressure. Since hypertension can impact overall health, including foods that support stable blood pressure may be beneficial as part of a balanced diet. Furthermore, the soluble fiber in oats can also help slow the absorption of sugars, preventing the sharp blood glucose spikes that can, over time, damage the small blood vessels within the kidneys. A bowl of steel-cut oats provides a steady release of energy and a powerful combination of blood pressure and blood sugar control. The runner-up at number 2 is an exceptional seed that functions like a grain, buckwheat. For those managing kidney health, particularly in later stages, controlling phosphorus and potassium intake can become critical. While many whole grains are high in these minerals, buckwheat offers a unique advantage. It is a nutritious whole grain that is notably lower in phosphorus and potassium compared to alternatives like whole wheat or bran cereals. This makes it a safer yet highly nutritious choice. Beyond what it lacks, buckwheat is rich in what it provides. It contains a valuable array of amino acids and is a good source of rutin, a bioflavonoid with strong antioxidant properties. Research, including findings from a 2023 study, suggests that rutin may contribute to overall wellness and provide antioxidant benefits as part of a healthy diet. Using buckwheat flour for pancakes or cooking buckwheat groats as a hot cereal provides a kidney-conscious foundation for a healthy breakfast. And now, the #1 breakfast food for kidney health, according to current scientific evidence, is the powerful and polyvalent olive oil. This may seem surprising as it's not a typical breakfast food, but its inclusion is non-negotiable. The cornerstone of the renowned Mediterranean diet, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and packed with potent phenolic compounds like oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol. A 2023 review in Clinical Nutrition analyzed numerous studies and found that following a Mediterranean diet pattern with olive oil as a central component may support overall wellness and contribute to balanced nutrition. The mechanisms are multifaceted. The anti-inflammatory effects of these compounds directly reduce the chronic, low-grade inflammation that damages kidney tissue. Furthermore, the healthy fats in olive oil improve vascular health and blood flow, easing the pressure on the glomerular filtration system. Drizzle it over your avocado toast, use it in a breakfast vinaigrette for a side salad, or simply mix a teaspoon into your scrambled eggs. Incorporating olive oil into your morning meal is a delicious way to enhance your breakfast and may support overall wellness. So let's bring this all together. We've moved from the high-quality, low-phosphorus protein of egg whites through the antioxidant shield of blueberries to the blood pressure-regulating fiber of oats. We then looked at the kidney-friendly mineral profile of buckwheat and culminated with the anti-inflammatory powerhouse, olive oil. The common thread here is a dietary pattern centered on whole foods, rich in specific fibers, antioxidants, and healthy fats, while being mindful of protein quality and mineral load. This isn't just about adding individual items to your plate. It's about adopting a nutritional philosophy that actively defends your kidneys. The cumulative effect of these choices, day after day, may support overall wellness and a balanced approach to nutrition. The science is clear. What you eat for breakfast is a direct message to your kidneys. You can choose a message of stress, laden with sodium and processed sugars, or you can choose a message of support, rich in the protective compounds we've discussed today. Your first meal is your first opportunity to make a conscious decision for your long-term health. If you found this information valuable and want to empower others to take control of their kidney health, please share this video. For more science-backed nutritional strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next update. We look forward to continuing this important journey with you. Thank you for watching.